Hello, I'm Sue with AffirmFaithCo.com, and today we are going to be making a prayer jar. So I've grabbed two plain, normal, everyday quart-sized mason jars, and I'm going to put one, use that for my answered prayers, and the other one for my actual prayer jar. Yes, that is my sweet baby girl Lacey barking in the background. She's excited about this project too. So for the prayer jar itself, I'm going to use this mason jar because the back is smooth and I could put most of my decorations on that part. Be sure to download the prayer strips that we have for you. We have prayer prompts for dealing with hard times, with gratitude, and even blank ones for you to write your own prayers and pull them out each day. Okay, so I am going back to an old kit that I don't even think is made anymore, but you can find, use any kind of scrapbook paper, stickers that you find, and I'll link to some other resources within the post so that you can find things that you might want to work with, or just simply use anything you have around the house. This is not to be hung in a museum. It is to grow your relationship with God. Pour your heart out to Jesus, and it is just between the two or three of you. So this one is an Illustrated Faith Beloved Society, and I am not going to use pattern paper because I just don't like putting it around jars, although you certainly can. But what I'm looking for in here is the sheets of strips as well as the stickers that are in here. So I've also grabbed some ribbon that I thought went well with these, and we'll add that to the mouth of the jar as well. So as I said, there's really no rhyme or reason. You simply want to decorate the jar until it reflects you, or until it is exactly what you want. So I'm going to lay the jar down. I really like this strip that goes all the way around, and it's going to start adding in some of our colors. Because this is a self-adhesive sticker, it's going to go on nice and easy. Then we are going to add one of the little girls from the Beloved Society girls. Which one looks more like me? Well, right now my hair is purple, so probably none. But we'll go with this one since my hair would be gray if I didn't use magic color. All right. I'm going to save this one here, Thankful, for my answered prayers jar. But let's see what else we can find in these stickers. So here's another one. This is from Illustrated Faith Basics. It's a cardstock sticker booklet. I am going to grab one that says, Pray, 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 since this is our prayer jar. And we'll put it down here with this little gal who's supposed to be me. We may grab some others out here. Maybe we'll even use Pray, 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 or Amen, Amen, Amen. And just continue to layer. I like a lot of layers. It's just who I am. I figure if I'm lumpy and bumpy, then my craft projects, even those to the Lord, should be as well. Okay, I don't want to go too high so we can still see our ribbon. Let's see what else we have here. We have, this says, your heart is beautiful. Be God's kind of beautiful, wonderful, beautiful. God has more in store for you than you can ever imagine. Well, that seems like an absolutely perfect one to put on our prayer jar. Let's add a cross And again, I like to layer. If these don't want to stick down on you, you can use a clear collage medium, although I normally don't like to do that on this type of glass because you will see a little muddy. It won't be clear all the way through. He is Always Faithful is another great one. I don't want to put that too close to that pink. And I'm just going to use stickers. That is what I've chosen to do for this prayer jar. I am strong and there is a song in my heart. We have one cross. Let's see what else we can add. This. Let's see how we're looking here. I'm happy with how it's turned out. I'm not even sure I want to add anything else to it, but let's see. Have patience. He isn't finished yet. From Philippians. That might be a good one, and that'll pull in some of our green since we'll be putting in some green ribbon. And maybe we'll just add a random rose, maybe in her hair, my hair. And let's see. Here's another one we can add. Oh, I'm running out of room, aren't I? That's okay. All right, so I'm pretty happy with that. And that's all it needs to be, is simple. I'm gonna hold it up, let you get a little better look at this. So let's just add on our ribbons and see how this looks. I've got a nice turquoisey ribbon here that, well, it's pretty old. I don't even know how long I've had this ribbon, but I guess I've been saving it for just this project. And I'm going to tie it just around the base. It's only long enough, I think, to go around once. Well, I guess we could try a second time. And yeah, we just won't do a full bow on this one. We'll tie it twice so it stays on real nice. We'll trim the ends when we're done. I'm going to add this really pretty shimmery pink ribbon. And this one will start from the top and wrap around the back. We'll cut this. Tie a bow. We want to get down there. You want to get down there, right where I had you. Ribbon just sometimes doesn't want to behave. Like dogs and kids and grandkids, right? I didn't say husbands. Okay, we'll tie this in a pretty bow. And again, I will wait to trim the edges. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of this thin rope twine. And again, I'll start from the front. Pull it around from the back. And then cut it. So we could tie this in a bow as well. Now you may not want this many ribbons. I love to add ribbons. Lots and lots of ribbons. Okay, and now I'm just going to take these simple scissors here, cut these on an angle. lost the other one here. There's one, there's one. Pull this down here. Well, might need to fix that in a little bit, but it doesn't want to go down. There we go. Pull these here and trim them on an angle. The blue. And then really don't need to do much trimming at all to the twine. Oh, this side we do. If you'd like to be fastidious, you can always tighten up your bows and retrim if you like. And let's see how this is looking. Other than this blue piece of ribbon having a mind of its own, I think I'm pretty happy with that. So this will be where I put my prayer strips. So I'll pull one out each morning, and that will begin my morning of prayer. And then I will journal in my prayer journal or war binder. So I'll go ahead and decorate my gratitude jar on a separate off camera, and then I'll share them both with you. I hope you enjoyed this quick video just to show you that it doesn't have to be a work of art. It's just between you and our Father. Be sure to subscribe and like for more videos on Christian crafts, Bible journaling, and junk journaling that's faith-based. Have a blessed day.